Hello, what's going on guys? My name is Matthew Moustache and welcome to my workshop. In today's video I'm gonna try to turn all these shavings into some kind of decorative panel or usable boards with a little bit of resin. So let's jump into video. So for this project I'm gonna need a mold where I'm gonna cast everything, put all the shavings in resin, drag to the resin, and a lot of shavings. I'm gonna use two of my favorite American black walnut and ash. So first I start with adding a little bit of glue at the bottom to make sure they're gonna stay in one place. So once the first one is ready, I'm gonna move the second part in here. The second one, I'm gonna mix it a little bit of ash shaving with American black walnut. You can see it that resin came out a little bit cloudy because it was a little bit old and cheap. So never buy a cheap resin. This is the second resin. You can see it how clear it is. After curing time, it was like a couple days. Now I'm adding masking tape to glue everything together. I'm using a quick glue. Now everything is nice and secure, so I can start routing and making it flat. Safety first. So far so good. Now it looks pretty alright, nice and flat. Now I'm gonna need to sand it down, everything, polish it and see it how well it goes. So I start sanding from 120 grit, then moving up all the way till 3000. Now I'm gonna create a frame. For frame I'm using American black walnut, of course. And trimming my resin casts to the right dimensions. join the frame together, I'm gonna use miter cuts. And adding a small chamfer as a detail to the inside of the frame. Now a little bit of glue and let's put everything together. Everything will be held by the masking tape. Just checking if it's square enough. And now using black quick glue, filling the knot. And it works really well. For fixing front to the drawers, I'm using a classic brass screws. Handles are cut from offcuts. And they look really nice. Finishing everything with Rubio monocoat to add a little bit of shine to it. After the final wipe off, it looks very nice. Time to remove all of the tape measures.
So as you can see, I put an extra light behind, so that was my main thing to do it. Like to install some kind of LEDs, maybe RGB or something like that, just to have something like a extra feature. The other one, well, the resin on the second one was a little bit not too good. Note to self, don't buy a cheap resin. No way. This one is much better, it's nice and clean. All the way through, not too many bubbles. I don't have the biggest experience with resin, but definitely I'm gonna make more projects with resin because it's so enjoyable and the possibilities are endless. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. If so, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Cheers, guys, and see you soon. But I'm gonna put all of this tape there. Sorted.